हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू कॉकपिट क्लासेस। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है दैट इज कंप्रेसर। टुडे वी आर गोना टॉक अबाउट कंप्रेसर दैट इज मच मोर यूज्ड इन जेट इंजन्स। सर, जेट इंजन्स में कंप्रेसर का काम क्या है? इट बेसिकली कंप्रेसेस द एयर। ये उसका प्रेशर बढ़ा देता है बेसिकली। व्हाई? बिकॉज द जेट इंजन वर्क्स ऑन कांस्टेंट प्रेशर। द कंबशन चेंबर रिक्वायर्स कांस्टेंट प्रेशर। उस वजह से हमारा जो कंप्रेसर है, it is a very important part to be used inside the jet engine. There are multiple parts inside the jet engine जिनके बारे में हम डेप्थ में आगे बात करेंगे। Primarily my compressor has two types basically. One is axial flow compressor, second one is centrifugal. The name itself suggests itna to centrifugal is just something throwing the air from the center to the outward direction. Basically, how do they both of them look? Both of them look like this. This one, this compressor over here, this is my this is the diagrammatic difference between both of them. This one is my axial flow compressor और ये है मेरा centrifugal compressor. Simply, sir, what are the major differences दोनों में? सबसे पहले, the first thing, the interesting point to remember about both of them is कि जो मेरा centrifugal compressor है, it is much more robust, powerful. It is much more powerful and cheap. But even after it being very much robust, very much cheap from the axial flow compressor, उसके बाद भी we are using axial flow compressor in our most of the modern aircrafts. What is the reason? You should comment down the reasons, whatever the reason is, why we are using axial flow compressor still in the most of the modern aircrafts. So if we dive little more into this, इसका जो per stage ratio मिलता है मेरे पास, somehow approximately 4:1 का ratio मिलता है मेरे पास compression ratio per stage, and इसका जो per stage ratio है that is 1.2:1. Now this is one of the major difference. जब मैं per stage एक centrifugal compressor को लेता हूं, the maximum number of stages I can merely put together is 3 to 4 stages. So that means इसमें 4 stages मैंने लगा दी, तो 4 stages कितनी हो गई? मैक्सिमम, मैक्स टू मैक्स आई कैन मैक्सिमम गेट 15:1 का रेशियो.